Welcome to Tailwind. In today's video, we're going to build an elegant Invoice History UI component using Tailwind CSS. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create the component you're seeing on the screen right now. Let's dive in. Let's start by creating a basic container for our Invoice History component. We'll use the padding class P4 and set the background color to gray using BG Gray 100. Next, we'll add a flexbox container inside our main div. By using flex and flex column, we ensure that our invoice items will be stacked vertically. Now let's create a single invoice item. We'll use a div with border-B for a bottom border and P4 for padding. Inside the invoice item, add a div for the invoice number. We'll use font bold to make the text bold and text gray $700 for the text color. Let's add another line for the invoice amount. This will provide more details for each invoice entry. Add a date line to each invoice item to provide a timestamp for when the invoice was issued. Duplicate the invoice item to simulate multiple entries in the invoice history. This gives a better idea of how the component will look with real data. Enhance the invoice items by adding rounded corners and a shadow effect using Rounded and Shadow MD classes. Finally, add some margin to the top of the component using Mount 5 to ensure it doesn't stick to the edges of the page. And there you have it, a beautiful Invoice History UI component built with Tailwind CSS. We covered how to structure the component using Flexbox, style it with Tailwind's utility classes, and ensure it looks clean and professional. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you in the next video.